Sa akong mga sakop.
Hello.
Uy guys, karon pa jud taw ko naman guys. Ay, ngayon lang talaga kami natapos. Kasi na-busy kami kanang umaga kasi sa visa ko guys ba, tapos nagmamadali kami. So pakita ko pa sa inyo ang nagawa namin na pa-surprise more on Ella's work yun guys. Kasi siya yung nag-ano. So pagdating ni Francene, may nuog diri oy. So pagdating ni Francene, dapat magbihis siya. Maligo muna siya. Tapos may paano tayo dyan, unicorn. Tadaan! Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan na, guys. Ang surprise. Hindi mo na siya papasok dito. Daming ano. I believe. Focus. I believe in unicorns. Unicorns talaga yung gusto niya. First na gusto niya is Peppa Pig. Tapos, mga few weeks, nag-change yung mind niya. Naka-order na ako ng mga Peppa Pig na balloon. So, hindi ko na lang tinuloy yung Peppa Pig. Although, yung ating main koan is Peppa Pig. At yung cake na ginawa ko, ito yung cake na ginawa ko, unicorn. And then, unicorn, happy birthday! Susunduin na ni Frank ngayon si Francene kasi 4:30 lang siya taman sa kindergarten. So, ayun. So, ayan pala yung bed ni Francene, guys. So, ayan. And Mayor is gonna pick up now the little girl. She needs to shower first. Okay. So, antayin natin mamaya, guys. Si Francene. So, pagdating niya, sabihan ko siya na magbihis kasi may unicorn dress dyan sa kanya, guys. Magbihis muna siya kasi parang nagdaro talaga yun pagdating sa gikan sa kindergarten. Ang ginawang iba guys, ito, yung cupcake. Yeah, cupcake. Perform ko lang siyang number 3. Ayan. Meron tayong extra. Wala yung kakain yan guys. Oy, kasi gisumhan na ito sila kain ng cupcake dito at saka cake. Then, gagawa lang ako ng fruit snacks nila, fruit bowl, and then chicken nuggets at fries. Yun lang. Pagdating namin, nagkamamo yun mi. Nagawa ako ng nuggets na dinosaur shapes kasi gusto niya yung mga dinosaurs. Tayon, mga fruits, ano lang dayon yung ilahanda ko kasi ito yung mga gusto niya guys. And you know, wala kami bisita lagi dito. Ito lang, pampahappy sa kanya. Nuggets and fries. Walang bunggam ganap. Naputol, mang ulo. Ano sa ka-dinosaur? Ayan. Tapos fries. Ay, kanina labas sa umaga. Ayaw niyang pumunta ng kindergarten kasi gusto niya sumama sa akin, sumama sa amin sa ano ba to? Sa Auslander Amp. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, kasi kung hindi pa kaarawan niya guys, kasama din na sana siya, pero kaarawan niya, paano ako makakaprepare? Kung sasama siya, hindi siya pupunta ng kindergarten. Ayan. Gawa lang tayo ng fries at saka nuggets. And then, gawa tayo ng mga favorite fruits niya. Ayan. Ayun na. Wala nang daming ganap. All effort talaga gihapon to guys. Yung handa natin kasi wala tayong Ayan. Nilagay ko lang to siya sa oven. Kasi mamaya pa to kainin paano lang na ako siya una guys, ipa-blow ng cake kasi malalana yung cake, malalana yung icing doon kasi yung gamit ko is yung whipped cream lang na liquid at hindi ko talaga siya ma-perfect yung paano gamitin yung whipped cream. Ayan. So, let's make it. Ayan. So, ayun na ang ating birthday ni Francene. Wala tayong madaming kaartihan. Pa-surprise natin kasi pa sa kanya birthday niya eh. Sa kanya yung tong karon, dapat sa kanya yung mga yung Palipay siya ba? Lagay tayo ng mga fruits. Ayan. Meron akong cherry, green grapes, at yung red grapes. Tapos maglalagay lang ako ng snacks. Kasi ito talaga guys, it's like snacks talaga to. Yung birthday niya na ay giandam na ako. And then since wala kaming bisita, sila lang tatlo. Sila lang din ang kakain. So ayun. So gawa tayo muna. Ano daw ang chinilas dito? Ang yan ang pag-ilis talaga yun. Wala nang kasaguan. Bro siya ga-ilis. Sige lang. Report bitaw kayo ka. Yeah, she's gonna go shower. It's like, hi. I'm dress, but you're gonna change, okay? You're gonna change.
Happy birthday.
She's thinking it's in the lift. Yeah, she's thinking it's in the I will take a photo of you there, but did you see the door? What is in the door? Did you see what is in the door there? I do this. Okay. Okay.
No, I should go inside first. No, I'm gonna take that with me. Now! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. No? There's no candle to blow this time.
There is. Is the candle light?
The candle is there.
Was ist das, Francine?
Wait.
That's okay.
Was ist das?
Hey!
Francine, was ist das, Francine?
Dum 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 pull. Nadi na sa
And
sala.
a cake.
Was für ein?
Watch, 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 watch.
Can we take a photo of you? There? Stand there, stand there.
Cheese.
Smile.
She's excited. Okay, Ella is just taking 1 hour to get that off.
Yummy.
Yummy? You like it? Look at that. So many gifts.
Peppa Pig.
Ja, Peppa Pig und Teddy.
Look here.
Teddy.
Look here.
Cheese.
Ja, das waren nicht eine Stunde, sondern 13
Here's all your gifts, ne?
She
One.
didn't see that.
Ja.
Whoa. What the picture?
So,
Papa will do
Darf
that.
ich anmachen?
ist jetzt schon zu spät.
I want to see.
Wait, wait, wait.
Happy birthday.
Franzi!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Francine.
So now you can blow.
Jetzt pusten, aber du musst was wünschen.
Yeah.
You have to wish. What's your wish?
And I can taste it.
Einhorn kitchen. Blow. Blow the candle. Yay!
Good.
That's really. So we take out the cake.
Oder irgendwie so Geschenke.
We take out the cake.
Zu schnell. Dann erstmal essen. Nein.
Ist ein Burger. Ein Burger. Ich bin sehr dumm zum Ding. Ist das eine Karte? Ja.
Sehr fancy.
It's okay. It's okay.
You can remove that.
Ja, wir machen das ab. Wir legen es.
Hoppala.
She needs tissue, like the birthday girl needs tissue.
Nein. Das kann ich nicht. Ist sie nicht so klein? Das sind Flügel.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
So what's that? Show mama. Get a tissue there for her then. So what's that?
I don't know.
I don't.
Soll ich öffnen oder?
Not yet. Later. So what's next? Open what's next?
Liegt das hier hinten? Was kommt danach? Ja, warte. Ah.
Maybe here is battery empty.
One day. Frank's phone. Because I'm gonna finish this.
Schuhe. Einfach Schuhe.
Put that there.
Hier, du kannst das Video machen.
It's the pool.
It's okay. It's okay. Leave that here all. It's okay.
Ah.
Do you remember what that is? Yeah?
A bubble.
Yeah.
Jetzt zeig das da, guck, mach mal.
That's what you wanted to have, no?
Yeah, that's what she's looking yesterday. That she said to me, "It's gone, Mama. The bubble is gone."
Why is the bubble gone? Because you have it.
Was danach?
This is bubble da.
Lass das erstmal sitzen.
And up in that.
Already?
Already?
Go
You
to
still have
open
so
that
many
one
gifts.
first. Get that one. You get it?
Ich wollte auch vom kleinsten zum großen.
Yeah, good. We switched on already. How is that going to hold?
Muss das Ding.
You have to. There's a lock pa. Yeah. Oh my God.
Das raus, Francene.
Oh,
Das hat nur geöffnet. Was ist das?
yeah, look there.
And that?
Good. That's a fridge.
Da ist noch da etwas hier, Francene.
Here, you can open that.
Ach.
Press down. That's where the stove is. This is where this comes in.
For the oven. Yeah.
Like that. And then you have to press that down here, no?
And that?
Da ist hier dann Gabel und so. Nein.
Oh. You should be the other side, Francine, so I can see your face.
Can you be here on this side?
Yeah.
This is your curtain. Look, Francine.
Francene.
Francine, this is for your curtain. So put on the curtain here.
And that?
Das da.
Show me. That
Die
comes
Uhr
here.
ist.
Da.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like that. So you can hang towel or you can hang a cup here.
Everything. And the cup,
Da kommt ein Becher hin.
See, frying pan. Look at this. This is for the oven that comes in here. You can make cupcakes.
And that?
Da ist
You
Pfannkuchen.
can put that also in there for the time being.
Ow.
Like that. So you can close that. Push that down here. Like
Yeah.
that,
You have to push down, Francine.
So then you've got cupcakes. You've got
Pfannkuchen.
potato pfannkuchen.
Was?
Where's your frying pan? Look. You can put that here.
Nein, oben soll das dann, oder nicht?
Pfannkuchen, Papa.
Und dann macht es eine Flip
It,
machen.
it shows that you cannot cook.
What?
It's not the proof. It's the proof that you cannot cook, baby.
Oh. How do you know that?
Es ist ein Flip machen, nicht unten. Man kann einen Flip machen.
So then.
And you have actually a there headdress for a chef and a dress for
Look at
yeah.
that.
You have.
I just see that here.
Ja, du musst das anziehen. Francine, du musst das anziehen.
Well, Papa.
That's for you. That's for you.
That's the chef.
Because
Yeah.
you're the cook.
Yeah.
The cook has that.
Oh. I take a photo of you after. And that is the curtain.
There's the curtain, but how are you gonna get that in there?
Oh, there's another. Wow, they have a gift for Francine auch. I don't.
Aber sehr dumm gesehen.
Ja,
Francine,
You should have given that
das
earlier.
ist auch für Küche, kann man auch für Küche benutzen.
Francine, open that one more gift. What will you say?
Und was
Come on. Now.
Ihr Gesicht.
Oh my God, your kitchen is complete now.
Du hast Eis, du hast Ding,
Yeah.
du hast alles.
You know, Alice.
Schere.
Here, come on.
Niemand
I
hat
take
Schere.
that open. Hey, open.
You switch off the nuggets, right?
Ja.
Oh mein
Was? Wie?
You can use actually that for sandpit too.
Yeah.
Und das ist gleich. Das kann man auch
Was ist da drin?
Now she has...
Francine?
Kumakain na sila, guys. Si Francis natutulog. Ito lang yung kinakain nila.
I want that.
Puro healthy, pero meron ding sweets, mallows. Meron tayong cherry, green grapes, red grapes, fries,
Yeah.
dinosaur na nuggets.
Mama, I want that.
Guys, siya na ketchup. May ketchup kasi kami dito binili ni Frank, guys. So, kasi einhorn, unicorn, kasi mo yung paborito niya. Tapos ang ending, the unicorn ketchup, di sila ganahan. Tapos meron tayong some sweets, Oreo, then crackers, may Babybel cheese. Kakuan sa kong kuko eh. Tapos gumawa ako ng cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes. Ang dami. You can bring that tomorrow in school na, give your classmate or something. No?
Ohne Ding.
Without cream there too, down below.
Ich mag das nicht.
And me and Frank, na lang, ano lang min din guys. Inuna lang namin sila kasi clothes lang kami.
Oh.
Pick clothes. Family calling.
Ja.
Ja, die da hinten, ne?
Ganz da hinten, ja.
Weil ihr redet gar nicht richtig.
I sing happy birthday for you.
Dazwischen, ne? Jana ist dazwischen, ne?
No, das ist
Die da.
Ist das
There's no Jana
Oh,
there.
hier.
Das ist Sascha.
Yana here on top.
Guck, hab ich doch.
Ah, ja, das ist
Da.
ja. There's no Jana there.
Do you hear that, Francine?
That's cool.
Say thank you to them.
Ich sehe das mal.
Are they live?
No.
You know,
Eh,
they would be all your friends.
yeah.
Francine, are you happy?
It's shy.
Leute, Ketchup, das war
They don't like that ketchup, but it's yummy, but it's sour. I like it.
Egal.
Nein, das andere ist
Si Francis ay natutulog pa, guys.
Das ist wirklich eklig.
Natutulog pa.
Lies doch.
Das ist nicht süß, das ist
Sauer oder
Hello, happy birthday again. Tita Remo, share to let her see. Come on. Sing na po yan, tita niya, guys.
Hallo.
Now, Tita Rem, sing.
She's coming back in a second.
Ah. Hello? 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 Francis.
Birthday, happy birthday.
Hello?
Happy birthday, Francine. Oh, blow a candle, Francine. Oh.
I send you the candle.
Blow your candle.
Hello, no, come
What is that? A joint?
Super steak.
Wow! Another happy birthday, Francis. Francis is also.
Oh.
Look,
Birthday, Francene. Blow your candle, Francene.
blow daw candle.
Blow your candle.
What?
2, 3, blow. Ooh.
Ay, ginawa ko, Francine.
Are you happy, Francene?
Nanghambog, intaw na siya sa iyong kitchen.
Where's your gift? Where's your gift?
Na!
Up and ready.
Huh?
Up and down.
She opened it already. Uy, Francis, not that black. Like that. Saya ni Francine, oy. Le? Le? Le?
It's so bad, no?
Yeah.
That is the screen share.
After mass.
When the screen share, wait, ma.
Si Francis kumanta din. Look at Francis. Look at Francis pa. Hey. What will you say to tita?
Thank you.
Thank you. Good job.
A bit more passion the next time.
That's your ninang, Raba. Ninang.
Oh my God!
It's your ninang. Ninang, what's your gishing for this for Mish?
Sie sangat keman. Sie
Ninang.
Utang sa utang.
Utang.
Mehr.
Wie heißt das? Aua.
Mehr.
Francis.
Mehr was?
Ja.
Ja, und dann mehr? Weiter? Bitte. Mehr, bitte.
Mehr.
Gang ayan tayo.
Danke.
Sarap na.
Thank you.
Cherry, sarap. So kasi ako kasi kanina nag-lunch ako.
Oi.
Lechon manok, guys. Nanigurok ka, kaya kabuhi, isod na.
Hello, my house.
Another one.
Ja.
Oh, Peppa Pig.
Lauter.
Louder. That's Gino.
Wow!
Ja. Mehr lauter.
It is loud already, wait.
You will be happy, wow.
Wawa. Wawa. Tete.
Oh, baby, eh.
What are you doing? So, ayan guys, busy na si Francine lagi, guys.
Ice cream.
You're making ice cream?
The ice cream.
I think i-end ko itong vlog, guys. And namin dito, i-end namin ni Francis yung vlog. End namin yung vlog. So, kasi wala tayong mga NN sa ating mga vlog lately. So, ngayon i-end namin. Thank you all for watching, guys. And I hope to see you again on the next video. Bye-bye! And have a good day, everybody. And God bless us all. Na-miss ko to magpaalam sa vlog. Bye! Say bye! 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 Lili, ikaw! Bye! Bye! Say bye! 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 Ang tabang ni kosak-kosak. When your birthday?
Yeah.
You like your dress? The unicorn dress? Okay. You're falling. Come on, I ask you questions since you're a big girl now. Oh, okay. So So what can you say about your birthday?
And I have all that from the house there.
Yeah? Are you happy? You like your unicorn dress?
Yeah.
Shh, not so loud, Papa's sleeping. So what will you say to them? To Papa, to Mama, to Ella? To
Panda.
Thank you. Not even finished yet.
Into the chin.
No, don't put that in the mouth.
Mom.
Francene.
Yeah.
First thing there. You can play, yeah. I make food for them, okay?
Miss out.
Yeah? What do you want? Bread?
I mean that.
You make in your kitchen, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.